and I'm gonna do a look for that. This is my warm shirt because it's kind of cold right now. I will probably change clothes before I leave. I'm cold, so hey, flannel shirts are the best. Ring light is having a problem and it had to be taken apart, and apparently when I get too close to it now to try to show you swatches or things, it glares out. I'm sorry about that until I can get that fixed, and it's going to take a couple days to order the part. I'm pretty much stuck with that problem, so I'm just going to show you things from back here and hope I can zoom in. I already have my foundation and brows done. I've done some contouring and everything and blended it out really well. It's an in-person date, not on camera date. I want him to think I'm beautiful without thinking what the hell is all over your face. My husband likes a more dramatic glam look. He does prefer pinup girl glammy look. So that is what I'm gonna do today because it's our anniversary. We've been married 23 years. I have a couple palettes here. This is a new one. To me, it's not new out. It's the Self X palette from Makeup Revolution. It looks like this. It's very, very pretty. I've been playing around with this palette and I like it a lot. And the other palette I've been playing with a lot lately is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. I love this palette. I've created some beautiful looks. This palette is gorgeous. I'm gonna use those two palettes today, and let's get started. I haven't done a lot of concealer yet because when you are doing a more glam look, and I'm gonna be using more intense colors and smoky eye type stuff, it can get all over the place, so we don't want that. So let's start out with the Silk palette and do the base shades. I'm just gonna take this one here, put that all over my lid. This looks like a base shade, but it's got a bit of shimmer to it. What the heck? It doesn't look like it does until you're hitting it with my lights here. I'm just gonna take Nocturnal, which is this light shade here, and go over the top of what I just did to get rid of that shimmer. So now I'm gonna go into this like pinky brownie color here, and it's not a shimmer, making sure now. And I'm gonna start building up my outer corner and crease. And now I'm gonna use this like milk chocolate color here on a little pencil brush. Those darker shades aren't as intense as I want, and I kind of figured that was gonna be the case. I'm gonna grab Swoop from the Nightingale palette and build up my outer corner. I'm gonna take Dark Side, which is this gray here, and I'm gonna blend around the upper part of this. So I have a nice smoky look going on there, very cool toned and pretty. Now I'm gonna take this reddish color here, go in, and now I'm gonna go over that with this purple and use my finger. I'm going in with the purple over the top of the red just to sort of give the purple a more warmer tone. And now I'm going to take this shimmer here, I'm not sure what that color is, and just bringing that into my inner corner. Now that that is good for the moment, I'm going to do my concealer. And then I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape to brighten that up. And I'm going to set that with Arsenal No Color Powder. So we're going back into the Nightingale palette. I'm just going to bring that Dark Side around my outer corner. And then on the bottom, I'm going to use some of this Silver Spoon. Beautiful shade. It's kind of got a little bit of a bluey purple color to it. This is an evening look, so I'm going to use Smashbox Fishnet in my waterline. And then I'm going to take Break Free, and this is a gorgeous white shade shimmer, like holy cow glitter, and some MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm going to take my Pacifica Rainbow Drops, and I'm just putting a tiny bit on my inner corner and then smudging it into those other colors just a little bit. So now I'm going to take my Smashbox Superfan mascara. I'm gonna buff in my Sexy Mama by the Balm translucent powder, and then curl my lashes. I don't know what all the plan is for tonight, so I'm going to use my Ico waterproof mascara. This stuff is budge proof. I'm pretty sure you could ugly cry with this and it just not even budge. It is freaking amazing. But getting it off without some waterproof mascara remover is difficult. So I'm going to use my True Blend Blush from CoverGirl. I think that is going to look nice with that eyeshadow that I did. Because this isn't my project pan and I keep forgetting to use it, I'm going to use Strobe for my highlight. It's a beautiful highlight. Okay, so I have some e.l.f. finishing powder. It's just another translucent powder, and I'm just going to buff my face with it. This is just to make sure that everything is on and set and it isn't going to move all night. Then this just buffs everything in and gets it really blended and looking nice. And I'm not using a ton of the powder, like I'm hardly getting any out of here. I just want it to really set everything down. I'm gonna go find some red lipstick and I'll be right back. So I have two reds here. One is more of a deep berry red, and this is Misconduct from Smashbox Be-Legendary Liquid Lipsticks. They are amazing, they're super comfortable, and they last for hours. This is the Smashbox Be-Legendary lipsticks also, but it's a different type, and these don't last as long, but they're super glittery. I'm gonna go with this one first and then try to make this work. We'll see how this goes. I haven't tried it with these two colors before. So that is a very deep berry, way deeper than I was planning on, but when you smudge it and put stuff over it, it does turn much redder. So I'm going to take this red, which is a very bright red. So this is Crimson, and it is normally a very, very red. As you can see on my hand there, right here. I have a hard time liking myself in deep reds like that, but over the top of that deep berry, I think it tones it down and gives it a nice deep shade, ruby type of shade that I like. I went to the dentist yesterday and this side of my mouth, when they were doing whatever they were doing and pulling on it, I don't know if it's bruised or what, but I can't get my lipstick to lay down flat over there. And last of all, I'm going to do my setting spray, and I think that's going to do it. Other than perfume and changing my clothes, I'll probably, do something to my hair. Just going to leave it down because I like my hair down and long. Being married for this long is a lot of work. It's pretty hard. I'm not going to lie. There has to be a stubbornness of both of you that says, we can do this, we're going to get through this. Provided, of course, there's no abuse or anything going on. If there's that, then you need to go. But if there's not, it is a matter of being willing to work together and just get through whatever in spite of everything. And sometimes that means different things to different people. There are compromises you can always make. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye!